You want to start it? You want to push the button? Yeah. Ready? See that button right there? Push that button right there. Oh, my bad. All I'm gonna say is, it's the first day of the year. I'm on my first ride of the year, did my first check-in of the year here at Old Glory Harley Davidson in Lower Maryland. Get the flag right there. And of course, it's the first day of the year. They're not open. I'm actually on the way to a brunch right now with the family. They're in the car. I'm on my, what is it, New Horizons Challenge, or the first day of the year hog riding challenge. And I did my first check-in. I'm excited for 2025. What do you folks have going on? Are there any particular rides that you're gonna do this year? Any rallies? Are you buying any new bikes? Are you buying any new products? Are you doing any performance mods or any customizing to your bike or whatever? Are you buying your first bike? Hey, let me know. Drop down in the comments, let me know how everything's going. So I'm about to jump back on Valley of the Kings, head to this brunch, hang out with the family, and I'm taking it in. Thanks for tuning in to this episode of Build Ride Repeat. That's Valley of the Kings with my Super Performance Muscle 107. Woo! Oh yeah. Oh, I love that thing. Hey, twin cams forever. All right, just finished brunch here. Now it's time to get back on the bike, take it in for the evening. Hey, this is my first ride of the year, 2025. Harley Owners Group, Harley members, New Horizons / first ride of the year challenge. I got my challenge token. So yeah, see you in a little bit. They were no, she's 3 and he's 5. So they're still very, very, very young.
Yeah, that didn't take long, man.
No, it didn't take long at all.
So you been doing good?
Oh man, I'm blessed and grateful. Like I'm just amazed that it's 2025. We're halfway through the 20s already.
Yeah.
And 2024 was an awesome year for me and my dad, because we had that experience with Harley Davidson.
I be thinking about you. I meant to send you something for Christmas just to say, hey.
Oh, no
but
problem.
You know how things move.
Yeah, I understand.
I appreciate.
I'm gonna help your neck. Well, good seeing you. It's good seeing familiar faces in this place. Yeah, so didn't get much today. I did. All right, have a good one. I did manage to get some saddlebag latches. Unfortunate thing is, now I was leaving. Oh, pardon me. Come outside, it's snowing again. I tell you, man, be a motorcycle guy and to have snow, oh, this is ridiculous. Trying to head home. Y'all okay back there? Y'all like the snow? You don't like the snow? Well, they don't like the snow. That is bike. You haven't seen it in a while, right? You want to start it? You want to push the button? Yeah. Ready? See that button right there? Push that button right there. Oh, my bad. I'm setting you up for disaster. Oh, hold on. You ready? Here, put it up. Put your finger up here. Hold on. You ready? So it's been a while since I've been over here. Bike is in storage. Got my little dude with me. We came by to check on Valley the Pig. So it's been pretty much a month since I've seen my bike. I've been thinking about it every day. But unfortunately we had a ton of snow and salt on the roads. But luckily enough, there's no more salt and snow on the road, so hopefully I'll be able to get a chance to ride soon. My dad and I were planning on going to Daytona for Bike Week. Traveling Talls, Run to the Hills 5. I can't believe that's been going on as long as it has been. Woo, boy, time is flying. But yeah, man, I'm really looking forward to this year, 2025. Getting some miles in, hanging out with my little dude. Hopefully, let's see if we can possibly get him on 2 wheels. Maybe trying to get a little pit bike for this little guy right here. I don't know. His mom might kill me. So yeah, I'm really looking forward to 2025. Homecoming in Milwaukee, and some more HBCU homecomings. But yeah, we're gonna definitely do some more traveling, some more building, and some more repeating. But hey, thanks for tuning in to this episode of Build, Ride, Repeat. It's been a real short episode. I'm pretty sure I'm out of the algorithm right now since I haven't been uploading anything, but please forgive me. It's been rough here. Like I said, snow, salt on the road, and very, very, very cold. Unlike the West Coast guys, we'll get to ride 366 days a year. Hey, thanks for tuning in to this episode of Build, Ride, Repeat. Again, like I said, this was a short episode just to check in, first of the year. And now, right now, we're at the top of February. So, thanks for tuning in. If you like stuff like this, please make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe here to Build, Ride, Repeat. And I'll see you in the next one. You like that? You like that?
Yeah.
Hey, little dude.